The egg is so big!
Huh?
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Huh?
Hey you! Stop!
That's the location.
Uncle Bear, come help me!
I'm on my way.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
I'll take care of him.
Oh no! My watermelon! What should I do? I need to get some water for the plants. No rain for so long, the plants have all withered.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh no!
Huh?
What do I do now?
Aha!
Better call someone to bring water. Pick up, we need help! It's searing out here and the others are gone!
The coordinates have been uploaded to your device. Acknowledge receipt and stand by for deployment.
Get ready to go.
Let's go!
Hey! Look over here!
Hello!
This spot, based on the readings.
Agreed. It aligns with the seismic data. Mobilize the rig. This spot here, the soil is darker. It suggests moisture retention below the surface.
I see. It's the best chance we have.
I'm not sure if it's okay.
I'm tired.
Huh?
Okay.
We've got water!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
I'm happy for you. Okay.
I'm tired.
We've arrived! I've got a gift for you! Thank you!
Okay.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Time to make watermelon juice!
Hello! We have to go catch fish to sell.
Huh?
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! The The wheel is stuck. We have to find a way.
Aha! Okay. Huh?
We have to call for rescue.
Stay where you are.
Huh?
Hello, Rescue Bear speaking.
Help me!
Okay. Let's go!
Hey, I'm here.
Mr. Panda! Please help! Our tractor is stuck in the mud and we can't get it out!
Hello.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Whee! Soot business! Hello!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Whee! Soot business!
Let's go.
Okay.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
It's finally finished!
Okay.
Let's get the honey!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Soot business! The honey is delicious!
I'm tired.
Huh?
badaba.
Okay.
Drink some water, chimpanzee.
Thank you!
Hula. I'm tired.
Yes, I need assistance. We are stuck in the south quadrant.
The main coupling is completely seized. We've lost pressure in Sector 4 and the automated systems are down.
Hey, what's it taking so long? Hey, thanks a lot.
No problem.
Let's go spray the pesticide. Okie dokie! Let's harvest.
Let's go collect some eggs. The egg is so big.
Badabing, badabong, badaba.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh!
No, are you okay?
Oh, no! What should I do?
I can't move anywhere.
There it is. We've got the chain to pull. Hey, what's it taking so long? Spaghetti meatballs and a pizza pie.
Let's go!
Are you okay?
Oh, no!
Let's go get the first aid kit. Superstar!
Badabing, badabong, badaba.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Okie dokie! Aha!
Okay.
Badabing, badabong, badaba.
Oh no! We have to use another way. Aha! I have to go buy pesticide.
Let's go!
We've arrived.
Here you are, little one. Be very careful with this now.
Thank you!
Let's go!
Okay.
Hello! Let's go! Let's go.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Kumakini.
Let's go!
Spaghetti meatballs and pizza pie.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Just get ready to cook.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Superstar! The fish is so fragrant.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Where's the duckling?
Oh my gosh!
Let's go build the ladder.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay.
I'm tired. Sorry! Save the duckling! Don't be scared, duckling!
Let's go!
Okay.
You're safe now, little duck! Oh, The wheel is stuck. Must call rescue.
Help me!
Let's go. Okie dokie.
Hello?
I'm here. Is your car stuck?
Oh, thank you, thank you. We are so grateful. Anytime, little guy.
Let's go home together.
Badabing, badabong, badabang.
Oh no! I have to get the tools to fix the car. Finally finished fixing it.
Okay.
Time to bring the apples to the market to sell. Let's go. Here we are at the market. Oh boy! Hey! I want to buy this machine.
Okay.
Spaghetti meatballs and pizza pie.
Time to harvest the peaches. Finally done. Okie dokie! Superstar! I have a gift for you.
Badabing, badabong, badabang. Hello?
That's dangerous. I have to climb up and ask for help. What should I do now? I have to call for rescue.
Hello?
I'm coming right away. Get ready to go.
Understood. We're on our way.
Let's go! Hello?
Are you Oak?
I've tied it around myself already.
Everything's fine now.
Thank you!
My car's still there, sir.
Let's go home now.
Badabing, badabong, badabang.
Let's fix the car. I have to weld the wire back.
Okay.
My car's done.
Thank you!
Bye!
Let's go home.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Okay.
I have to bring it to Mr. Bear. I've got a gift for you, Mr. Bear.
Thank you!
Bye!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba. Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Come on, everyone. Time to eat.
Ducky! Oh no! Get water! We have to put out the fire. Okie dokie!